Hello guys. I'm sorry. I didn't even realize that the video has started. So again, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan, a forex trader that actually focuses on XAU USD. Today has actually been the day that I've recorded the most videos. The videos have mostly been on trade ideas using the TradingView app. Okay, so I've come up with the final. Okay, it's not final yet, but it's out of back testing heavily on the gold chart, and I've come up with this particular trading strategy. The trading strategy itself tries to maximize on movements like these ones, and actually get to try to distinguish between this type of market, and this type of market. So I've optimized also the stop losses. If you actually watch my previous videos, you'll get to see all that. Me back testing it, looking at different scenarios, trying to change the stop loss to see if I could have acquired more profit by minimizing or maximizing the stop loss that I had. Okay, and for me to distinguish between the two regions or the two market conditions where we have a bearish trend and a bullish trend, so that you can actually have found out that when I'm trying to buy or when I'm buying on an uptrend, I tend to make money. And once you try to buy on such market conditions, you lose money. So there's different ways you can get to know what market condition they are at, and the easiest one for me is a moving average. Having a moving average to tell me when specifically I'm looking at the market at a sell, or when the market is looking to buy, is actually really nice. It helps you to see the different kinds of market conditions and act accordingly. The other thing, okay, this is 30 day, okay, 30 candle moving average. The reason I have choose 30 is because in a week there is 30 candles of H4. So this is roughly what the weekly chart is telling you. And the weekly chart actually gives a good sense of direction and sense of market condition. Tomorrow I'll backtest it further and see if I can add something else. The rules are simple. Once we break a region or a level on the H4, levels are you will watch the previous videos and learn how the levels are made. You can actually see what I really mean by it trying to clean up most of the noise in the market. If you look at this particular point right here, this is the point where I lost most of the money, and you can see loss, okay, loss. At this particular point, it will be not advisable to buy. But then from that point on, you'll be buying, and continuous profit all around. And then the losses started to pile up. Loss, because you are trying to buy when the market conditions are actually selling. So at this point, I could have taken sells, and I could have made some good money. The same thing here. Look at this point. We were buying and we actually made some good money. At this point, we were buying, and with these market conditions, I ended up losing. So you see, all this could have been avoided by looking at the market condition differently. Then look at this point, I made money since the market was going up. And at this point, I sold and I actually did make money out of selling, which then the market conditions completely changed. And look at this sell. I could not have taken this sell looking at the market condition at this particular point. Since if you look at it well, we had this sell. Actually, this is a good sell because it was meant to be taken from that point. This came out at a break even, a loss, and then from there, buying, I ended up making some good money. ended up being tired, and actually that's why you can see not well carefully thought out trades. So tomorrow we'll continue backtesting. We can actually backtest on another region of time, and see what we could have done differently. Now, given that we are adding, okay, that's all about trading. You add conditions that you think may help you make your trading more profitable, make your trading much easier, and that's it. So actually, I had a buy at this particular point, and now looking at the new added rule, I should not be buying at this particular point. Instead, I should wait and see what the market really wants to do. Once we break below this level right here, tomorrow I'll be looking for sells. You see, now this is what I mean. When you're looking at the charts at this particular point, at this particular way. So I could actually wait for the chart to break below this level right here, and maybe try and buy the last position with this. But uh, I guess that's how things are. We shall see. Actually, buying at this point is not that bad, given that even though that the market condition seems to almost be changing. It's okay. Uh, the market does this sometimes. You can look at this point and also look at this point and also this. So yeah, the market sometimes may tell you looks to sell, but yeah, you just don't uh, buy or sell since the market. I'm so tired right now. Maybe I should sleep. It's about 11:19 p.m. and I've been up the whole day. So I've backtested a whole lot more, and looking to see how tomorrow is going to end up. So yes, I cancelled the order at this point, since now one of my rule has contradicted the previous entry rules. So it's all upon waiting on tomorrow, and maybe I can add another rule which will either tell me either to buy or sell at this zone. And yeah, see you tomorrow, guys.